So hello guys, this is your friend Keshav Chandak from Execkart.com. At Execkart today we have come with the TDS TCS reconciliation format. This reconciliation format provides the user details with regards to the TDS liability payable at the end of year if any. Using this format, the user can get a total view of any liabilities related to TDS or TCS which are not paid at the end of the year or which are paid in excess, so that he can get a final liability which is to be stated in the financial statements. This template comes with 3 sheets which are help, Challan-wise details, and payments and liability record. Now let us go through each sheet and learn how does this sheet work. Now let me get you to the first sheet, which is known as the help sheet. In help sheet we have provided basic instructions about how to use this format in case you are stuck somewhere. So in case of any help, you can visit this video or even go through the sheet for understanding of the same. Now before moving further, let me give you some basic understanding. The blue color used in this template is the place where the user has to enter the data manually. The light orange color is the place where the data gets automatically calculated from the data provided in the blue sheets. The dark orange color is the place where the final adjustments will occur automatically in total, and therefore there is no need to put any value manually by the. Now let me take you to the next sheet, which is known as the Challan-wise detail. The Challan-wise detail sheets contains the details of challans which are paid during the year. Here the user needs to fill data with regards to the section for which the challan is paid. In Challan from month he gets a drop down from which he has to select the month for which the challan is paid. He also has 2 additional points which are opening and adjustment, which are to be used in case he has some payment for opening or adjustments if any. The next is the challan number. Here the user has to put the challan number which is provided on the challan date, that is the date of payment of challan, interest paid if any, and liability paid if any. Now let me show you how this thing works. Suppose for example the client has paid challan for section 195 and it is for the month of May. Challan number is 00100. Date on challan is 152022. Interest paid is 45 rupees and the liability paid is 800 rupees. The same thing now goes for the next line, that is for example 194J. Month we select from the drop down is June. Challan number is 15897. Date of challan is 7/8/2022. Interest is 0 and the liability paid is rupees 600. Now let me put here 194C. Month we select is for example opening. Challan number is 87985. Date of challan is 30/4/2022. Interest amount is 0. Liability paid is rupees 700. Once more time enter 194C. This time the month is for example July. Challan number is 78945. Date of challan is suppose 7th August 2022. Interest is 50 rupees and the amount paid is rupees 900. So I have entered here some basic values. Now you can see that the values get auto populated in this sheet accordingly, like interest paid 45 rupees, which has come right from here, 50 rupees which is here, and even the thing gets section wise updated automatically. As in case of month, you also need to remember that the section number put here and the format which is used here should exactly match the values we put in section here, or else the sheet may malfunction for the same. Now once this sheet is filled, let me take you to the next sheet, which is known as the payments and liability record sheet. In this sheet, in the payable column you need to put in the values on monthly basis for each month, what is the interest liability to be paid and the TDS liability to be paid. Similarly, this thing goes for each and every section right till below. In case you need to add some more heads like 194 J subsection 2. So you can add it in place of head 1 like 194J subsection 2. In case you need to add some more rows other than these, you can just simply copy these format and just paste it down here. So you can add as many sections as you want. Once all the details are entered in this sheet, you will get a final picture that what is the liability paid and what was the liability payable. So now here in the adjustment column, the differences come from the total difference which has appeared in each section. Here the differences is for interest, same way goes for the liability. Here the difference is for liability. The adjustment values come here from the details which we have put in the Challan wise details. In this way you will get a complete picture of what is the final adjustment to be made. So here friends, this was a small introduction on how you would use this template in case of need. So in case you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. In case of any queries, you can write down to us on our website, or you can also ping us on our various social media handles which have been linked right below. So guys, this is your friend Keshav Chandak signing off. Thank you.